Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP, looking at the investment market in the week ahead. On the global share markets, September has proved to be a very good month, which historically it isn't, but certainly in 2010 global equities have performed pretty well and will probably finish up around 3 to 4% globally. In Australia, we've got their central bank meeting this week. They're expected to increase rates by a further quarter point. That will take rates up to 4.75. Now bear in mind that in New Zealand interest rates here are only 3%, so there's going to be continued pressure on the Australian-New Zealand cross rate, currently trading around 76, sort of 15-year lows or highs depending on which way you look at it. And indeed the latest research coming out of HSBC predict that interest rates in Australia will be around 5.75 by the end of 2011. Again, you compare that with New Zealand, where we're expected to be on hold now until the end of 2010. First increase may not be until May or June of 2011, and interest rates in New Zealand expected to be around 3.75 by the end of 2011. So that differential between Australian and New Zealand interest rates will continue to widen, and that will add further pressure to the currency out there. So it's a good time to review your Australian share portfolio and call us on 0800 867 323 to analyse those holdings. We've heard this week that the South Canterbury payouts have been put back a little bit in the time frame. They're probably going to be a couple of weeks away now. We've still got the Trustpower bond issue in play. That's due to close the 20th of October, and call us on 0800 867 323 to reserve your allocation. Now I'll pass you over to Phil Sedcole for the update on mortgages.
Hi, Phil Sedcole, looking after the mortgage side of the business here at IRG. As Jonathan said earlier, the interest rates are holding and very stable at the moment, which is good. The other good news is that two of the major lenders in New Zealand have in the last month changed their credit criteria, just easing off from the staunch positions they took 18 months, 2 years ago, which is a good sign. So if any of you are thinking about looking at mortgage finance or any sort of finance at all, please give us a ring on the 0800 number.
Thanks, Phil. Also remember, a date for your diaries, this Thursday, the 7th of October, we've got our second in the investor presentations down at the Tauranga Yacht Club, 2 times, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, and we look forward to seeing you there. Call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles, disclosure statement available, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.